In front of me is Redmi Note 7 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by accessing Sound Recorder app. If you never used it before, hit Allow in the pop-up and then tap on this gear at the top right corner. Now you can manage all of those options however you want to, like format, and when you finished, go back. To start recording, use this red button at the bottom. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to end it and save it on the right one. Now you can name your recording however you want to and choose OK. To access a list of all of them, use this button with 3 lines when recording is off. Finally, to play it, click on it. To delete it, hold it instead of tapping on it. Choose delete at the bottom left corner, it's a right corner, sorry. And confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!